Good day, traders. Welcome to another video of our YouTube channel, right? So on this video, I will be directly talking about or analyzing Nasdaq pair, right? On our comment sections, we went through comments and we saw that there are clients that are suggesting that we do more of Nasdaq videos, right? Basically, like I said before, if your Fibonacci retracement 100% is on top, right? We are going to sell at 61.8. And then we are going to buy at 38.2%. That's what I say, right? So initially, looking at this signal, right, we had a signal at 61.8%, directly at 61.8%, giving us more confidence and more value that we are going to buy at that price. If you have a signal at 61.8%, that is an accurate entry to enter the market. So the Fibonacci retracement is there to give us good entry points like this one, right? So the only thing that you can expect after an entry is a pullback. We know in the market doesn't directly go straight to profit, right? Sometimes it will create pullbacks like this one. This is not a major pullback. It's just a minor pullback. It's not that deep, right? It's not that personal. So you can just hold your trades. You can enter, but you can just hold your trades. And then the most important thing again is this, right? I'm going to give you a secret. You wait for 1 hour candle to close below your entry level. Initially, right here, previously, we had a signal, but the market just tested the entry point, but couldn't break below the structure, right? Couldn't break below the entry point. And then it created a pullback. And then again, the market retraced and closed below. It simply means our entry was going to be below this candle here. So you have to make sure if you're not using pending orders, if you are entering the market using market execution, you have to wait for 1 hour candle to close below your sell entry level at 61.8 of your Fibonacci structure or of your Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay? And then all of our indicators were red. And then we had the sell signal at this price, 60.91.32, right? And then this was our safe entry level. This was what our target. Our target was at this price. And then right now we're running at 46 pips, right? 46 pips on profits. And then this was our stop loss level. Our stop loss level is mostly above the resistance level, right? If we enter a sell here, our stop loss initially is somewhere at this prices right here. Okay, so the most important thing is this. You have to enter the signal that is at 61.8. This was a good and a valid safe entry. When the signal is at 61.8, this is a good entry point. We look for such entries, right? So as you can see on Nasdaq, it's very accurate, it's very good. This is USA 500, same as NAS 100. They move the same, right? It's the same pair as Nasdaq, right? So mostly the market was at the resistance level. So the system will give you a level of resistance. The system will give you a level of support, right? And then it will give you the percentage, 100%, 76.4. Remember, 76.4% and 100%, they are our resistance levels, right? And then we have 61.8%. 61.8% is our sell entry. 50% is the retracement level or a pullback. This is where we expect the market to either create a pullback or continue on a continuous movement towards the same direction, right? Or an opposite direction. And then we have 38.2%. 38.2%, we use it as a buy entry in this scenario, right? And then 23.6%, it's still the same as the support level. 0% and 23.6%, these are our support level structures. So for those who are trading price action, they were going to enter right there at 100% of our Fibonacci retracement level, or at this color, the red color, representing our resistance level. So the reason why we know this is a strong resistance level is because the market couldn't break above the structure of resistance. The market just tested the market just tested the price of the resistance, and then couldn't have a breakout, and then it went down on a downside, or it dipped on a downer movement or on a bearish direction, giving us a strong momentum that the market is going for a sell. So we were going to wait for this pullback, and then we were going to enter right below the breakout of our entry level, right? Remember, in order for you to enter a good trade, you have to wait for the market to break below your entry level on 1 hour candle. Wait for 1 hour candle to close below our sell entry. Then you can enter from that market. If this candle didn't break below, we're not going to enter. Confirmation is that the reason why we enter this trade is because the system gave us a sell entry. And then remember, we only sell at 61.8%. And then we buy at 38.2% in this scenario because 100% it's on the resistance level. And then at the support level is 0%, right? So we're going to buy at 38.2%. Right now, currently, the market is at the support. So we're going to wait and see if this is a strong support. If the support is still holding, simply means you're going to find buyers at this level. So we're going to have a buy momentum now. We are going to wait for the market to do what? To break above 38.2. Then we can enter on 1 hour time frame. Remember, when we are using the system, we use 1 hour time frame always, all the time, right? We use 1 hour time frame on each and every pair. It works on currency pair, indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, right? Even shares. So you have to make sure that you stick to 1 hour time frame for good valid entries. As you can see, this is Nasdaq, right? So mostly make sure that you have, if you have a pullback, right, you're going to enter when the market retraces back to the same price. We had a pullback at this price. It couldn't break below, and then the market retested and then came back and break below our 61.8% of the Fibonacci. This was a good 100% accurate entry. You could have scored at least 1,000 pips, 90 pips or going forward, right? On this entry only. You could have made a lot of money. This is the safe entry. So the reason for the safe entry, it's where we can look for more sell opportunities. Remember, if you have a sell trade like this, you don't initially just sell everywhere. You have to have a price that you know this is a valid price that the market is going to retrace. Like as you can see, the market created a pullback, broke below our structure, went on our direction of a sell opportunity, right? And then right now, it created another pullback, meaning that we have to wait for this pullback to be complete, and then we can enter as safe sell entry. So the system automatically give you another safe sell entry where you can have more sell opportunities going forward up until we hit our target. I hope this information was valid. And then looking at the percentage of Nasdaq, we can say this system is working 100% accurate, right? Although there is no 100% accurate strategy, but looking at the analysis and looking at the views, we can see that this system is working very good, very nice, and it's a friendly, easy user system. You just have to apply the rules that you sell at 61.8% and then you buy at 38.2%. Okay, you don't just sell at any prices, even though the market can be good, but sometimes you can have like crazy pullbacks and all of those, right? So make sure that you follow the strategy 100%. Make sure that you don't change anything in the strategy, and make sure that all your indicators are supporting the direction. Make sure that all the, because when we have a sell entry here, when we had a breakout, all of our indicators will read, supporting that really the market is going down. The market is selling very strong. And as you can see, after a breakout, we had a very strong sell momentum going forward. And remember, this is Nasdaq. We could have scored so much pips only with this pair or only with this trade. So I hope this information played a huge role on a trading psychology. Remember, always stick to the rules. Trust the system 100%, and the system will pay you 100%.